Here is a straight cool air conditioner, a new one by this Memorial Baptist Church, and this is a Payne. This is a Payne. Let's see. Let me get the model. 2025X Y7098. It's a cool unit, and it's a really nice unit. Pastor Jeff, I think somebody else in this church installed this unit. It's also got 3 of those metal fan blades you can see right here, and it's got a big fan motor right here. You can see right here. So this one has been installed. They installed a new one. So like saying, yeah, this is also my Pastor Jacob's church. Saying, and here's this Lennox again. It's cool. That was a really cool unit though. This Lennox, this has got a little. It's got a little big fan motor in there too as well. 4 fan blades. And saying, it's got a little gate around it so people won't steal it. And there's that ream or rud up there again. I don't know. This one is the Goodman again. See, yeah. So back to this Payne. It also has like a new compressor down in there at the bottom of the fan blade. You can see right there. It's got a little disconnect circuit thing you can pull out, I think. Or saying, yeah. So if y'all like air conditioners, comment below, and tell us what y'all think about what I'm doing. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.